Hi friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I am so excited to share this month's club set with you because I honestly can say it's yummy. I really can, because it is called S'mores to Stamp. Now look first of all at how yummy this is. Now I know it doesn't look like much on the stamp set because you're gonna build your own s'mores. I know, it's really exciting. And I have tons of samples to share with you, don't worry. But you're gonna get Let's Get Toasted, Congratulations, You Are Appreciated S'more Than You Know, Life is S'more Fun With You, The S'more the Merrier, Sending You S'more Love. And you're getting the graham cracker, the chocolate, or melted chocolate, or both. If you're like me, I want extra chocolate. And then your cute little marshmallow. Now, those of you that love stamps, boom, there you go. Stamp Club members, this is being sent to you. But if you're in the Die Hard Club, which is our most important club, most popular club, I should say, you're gonna get the dies that match. So you are getting the inside of the marshmallow and the shadow die, the same for the graham cracker and for the chocolate and the melted chocolate so it could melt down. Yummy, yummy, right? Now, Stamp and Die Hard Club members are also getting a freebie this month. So I'm not going to show it to you because some people like it to be a surprise, but you're getting a freebie this month. You are getting a freebie for the rest of 2022. So that's really exciting. Die Hard Club members stamp. On some of them, you're getting the freebie, but it's very exciting to get freebies. We all love freebies, right? Let me show you how awesome my samples are. Oh, and of course you're getting your handy dandy postcard that shows the add-on items. Stay tuned for those. That's in the next video. You are going to want to check out all the amazing add-on items. I could not stop with one stamp set, let me tell you. I was going crazy with this one. But let's look at the samples. Are you ready? Here we go. Birthdays are s'more fun with friends. Now you might see a couple sneak peeks in these, but don't worry, the add-ons are available now. So go get them ASAP. Here's a cute one. Thanks. You are appreciated s'more than you know. Look at that cute little happy face on that little guy. I wonder where you could get that. I wonder. It's a sneak peek, but not really because it's available now. Look how cute this is. The s'more the merrier. And I love all the different ways you could make your s'more. You could put the graham crackers like that. You could put them closer together. Oh, this one has an interesting marshmallow and chocolate. I wonder where that came from. Now, oh, I'm saving that one for last because that's amazing. Here's another cute one. Worry less, laugh s'more. Love it. It's so cute. Open it up. Let's make s'more memories. I think that's so cute. Here's another cute one. The s'more the merrier. Lots of marshmallows on that one. Yummy, yummy. Good fun, right? Love it. Oh, notice the cute background. All these fun sneak peeks. Here you go. Here's another cute one. Oh, with it looking toasted perfect. That's exactly the way I like my marshmallows toasted in my s'mores. You are appreciated s'more than you know. Again, fun background sneak peek. Oh, look how fun this is on the fun slim line. Let's make s'more memories. Let's party s'more. So cute. Birthdays are s'more fun with friends. Isn't that yummy looking? I love it. Here's a cute one. Oh, you have to, if you don't have this folded, you need to get it ASAP because look at this. The mug folded, so cute. The s'more cozy the merrier. Open it up. Oh, the design team keeps them closed for photos. Here we go. Warm wishes, s'more kisses. Isn't that cute? Again, notice that cute little face. Just saying. Okay, here's another cute one. Ready for s'mores, and I know Cheryl made this one because she always loves her 3D ink. I love it. She added 3D ink all the way around. The world needs s'more people like you. Now look at how gorgeous this one is. Isn't that one just stunning? Who did this one? Cheryl. Beautiful. But look at that cool fire. Lots and lots of sneak peeks. I'm loving it. Now, this is the winner for today because Michelle made this one. This is on our shutter card die. But look at this. I want you to see how cute this is because here it says, sending you s'more love with all those cute little faces and all of those marshmallows stacked on top of each other. But when you open it up, this is a masterpiece, you guys. This is really a masterpiece. Because look at that. You're getting all of those fun faces, all of those fun little characters. You're getting the little bunny ears, a bunny s'more on this one, cute little happy face, a little sombrero and mustache on this one. Look at those cute little animals over here. So adorable. Now make sure you check out this one, especially on the website, because then you can look at it up close and personal. You can even print all of these ideas if you want to as well. Now, club members, you know Ken gets up extra early to get these in their mail to you ASAP. Now, they'll move a little bit on Saturday. Sunday, they don't move. Monday, it's a holiday, 4th of July, yay. So it will take a couple extra days to get to you, but it is gonna be worth the wait. You are gonna love these. And stay tuned, because I definitely need you to go see that add-on video, because let me just tell you, there's some pretty awesome things in there. And if you're a club member, it's even extra special. So go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. And you know what? I'll see you there. Bye-bye.